Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's related to the Battlegrounds mobile ping value comparison between the MI 11X versus Realme X1 Max device after the recent software update. And during this time, I'm trying to use a 4G plus SIM card only. Let's see what will be the ping value comparison between both phones. And let me just show you exactly what is the bandwidth both phones are connected at this point, because that also matters a lot while you're doing this kind of testings. And right now in the MI 11X device, I'm getting the 1800 bandwidth, and you can see exactly 4G plus aggregation right now I was able to get in the MI 11X device. Same thing, let me show you even in the Realme X1 Max. So this is a NetMonster application and I was able to get the 1800 band, as you can see, which is the same kind of band and same 4G plus aggregation I'm getting in these phones. So both phones we got a confirmation that they're connected to the same kind of bandwidth and Geo SIM card and 4G plus aggregation. So let's start the test without wasting any time. Let's see how much difference can it actually makes while using this kind of 4G plus. So let me try to add this Battlegrounds mobile into the game turbo. Let's see friends how much the ping value difference we can actually expect between both of these devices. So first I'll try to start with the normal team deathmatch, and then I'll try to start with the Erangel map as well, classic map. Let me try to start at the same time. Let's see how much ping value will be there, and let me try to disable everything. So let's start with the basic classic match only, because that is what most of the users request me to use. So first let me just start in the MI 11X device, and I'll be able to show you exactly what is the ping value during this processor demonstration. So in case if you want me to do the team deathmatch, let me know in the comment section below. But let's see normal classic match only. Just for a couple of minutes I'll try to show you the gameplay in this MI 11X device, what happens with the ping value. So right now I'm getting the ping value is about 60. So before it was 289, somewhere around that. So now I'm getting the ping value about 123 milliseconds, as you can see, 123, and right now 76 milliseconds, 60 milliseconds at this point, as you can see friends, exactly. .72 milliseconds I'm getting, 72, not bad. So 72, till it's remaining around 72 only in this MI 11X smartphone. So using the Geo SIM card, and which I'm getting the 4G plus aggregation as well on the top, as you can see, 4G plus. So right now it was 72. So overall the minimum I did see around 72 milliseconds at this moment, as you can see, even 76 as well at this point. So 84 milliseconds I'm getting at this moment, as you can see, 84, 72. So 72 is the lowest one I did see in the MI 11X device using the Geo SIM card after the recent software update. 60. So 56. So using with the Wi-Fi is different and using with the 4G connection is different. That is the reason I'm really interested in this kind of 4G plus speeds only most of the time. And let me try to do the drop test right now, and let's see what happens with the FPS. So what happens with this ping value, I'm getting about 103, as you can see, 103 milliseconds it did reach. 64 milliseconds, not bad. 72 milliseconds I'm getting at this moment, 72 milliseconds, 68 milliseconds, 72 milliseconds, as you can see friends, exactly. 84 as well, we got 84, 80, so friends, this is the average which we did see during this processor demonstration using the Geo SIM card in this MI 11X device at this moment, as you can see clearly. So right now let me try to show you exactly the Realme X1 Max. So this is a Realme X1 Max which I'm trying to use at this moment, as you can see. Let me just slightly increase the brightness at this point. Yeah. Now you will be able to see the exact ping value at this moment, as you can see. The ping value is kind of close to 182 milliseconds I'm getting, 68 milliseconds. So 68 milliseconds at this point, and whereas the MI 11X device was about close to 64 milliseconds. 64, as you can see the difference between both phones in terms of the ping value comparison. So this is using the Geo SIM card. So the Realme X1 Max was able to get very low in terms of the ping value, 56 as well, 60 milliseconds as well. So using the Geo SIM card at this point, and I'm getting the 4G plus as well, as you can see, 4G plus aggregation, same band, which is 1800 band only I did connect to. So right now The ping value 72 milliseconds. 142 as well. As you can see, 142. We did see the slightly highest in terms of the ping value. Meanwhile, if you want, you can focus even in the bottom screen as well, which is our MI Linux device. In the MI Linux device, we did see 123 milliseconds and 60 milliseconds here. .68 milliseconds, 68. Now, so both phones are running at this moment, as you can see, friends, exactly. Now let me try to show you the actual difference, what is happening. So Realme X1 Max is on the top and the MI Linux is in the bottom. As you can see the difference, how it is. So I'm trying to run in both phones at the same time, so it's kind of slightly difficult to show you at this point, but these are the quick readings, friends. And the Realme X1 Max has got the really slightly low ping value when compared with the MI Linux device sometimes. Right now both phones are getting 76 and 72. I'm trying to show you just for a couple of minutes, keeping like this, so you'll be able to exactly see what is happening. As you can see, the MI Linux went even into the orange color as well. So the Realme X1 Max was able to stable exactly maintain at 60 FPS only. The MI Linux device, as you can see, MI Linux is going 126, 128 milliseconds as well sometimes. Using the Geo SIM card only at same location, and I'm getting 4G plus as well, as you can see, 4G plus. So friends, this is a quick result comparing both phones. Overall, I did feel slightly the Realme X1 Max has got a little bit kind of low ping value when compared with the MI 11X device in my location. As you can see, most of the time, even you did observe in front of the camera as well. As you can see, the lowest it went up to 52 as well milliseconds, 44 milliseconds as well. The Realme X1 Max went down 48 and 68. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you want me to do this kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below what phones you want me to compare, which phones. So that is what my point is. So if you can comment under my video, then definitely I'll try to do those kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll be straight for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check the playlist of each smartphone which I have created. The playlist videos will be really helpful for you to decide which phone has got what type of potential in it. So make sure to check the playlist, and you'll find all the answers in one single playlist. See you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.